are familiar faces, worn out spaces, worn out faces, going nowhere with the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, 'cause I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. I went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me, no one knew me. Hello teacher, tell me what's my name.